Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.